I just seen one fat ugly mama downtown. Nerdy, it's your mama. You didn't know. Yo mama's so fat when she gets on the scale it says to be continued. What the fuck you just said? Yo mama's so fat, when she gets in an elevator, it has to go down. Yo mama's so fat, her job title is spoon and fork operator. The sign outside one restaurant says maximum dinner for $512, or yo mama. Yo mama so fat, she's got smaller fat women orbiting around her. Yo mama so dumb, she sold the house to pay the mortgage. It took her 2 hours to watch 60 Minutes. She still owes Moses a quarter. She farts and shit dust. She's on both sides of the family.
Jellyface, you're the owner for the restaurant.
Dat me a chat boat.
Rich Yachty.
Mayor. You can fuck off now.
It's time for you to succeed.
Succeed. No man fee suck no bumba cloth seed. Mayor. Fix your argument. Idiot. Give me money, money, money. Yeah bro, how it goes. Idiot, tell me. I see a ugly mama downtown this morning heading your way. Where the monkey at? My youth. It could be your monkey mama. Yo mama's so stupid, when they said, order in the court, she asked for fries and a shake. Yo mama's so stupid, she put airbags on her computer in case it crashed.
We Jamaican. I hope my viewers are enjoying the cartoon. Please share and like. Just touch the subscribe bell button, thank you.